Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to filter transactions by category here in Spendee. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the app and go ahead over to your timeline. Okay, once you're on your timeline, just tap on Spending Overview. Okay, tap on it, and once you're in here, just go ahead and filter this out by selecting the wallet. Okay, and the date range. Okay, so for example, right here we have all history, or if you want to, you can go and select the year or month. Okay, and once that's done, just tap away. Now what you're going to do next is just go and scroll down, and as you can see here, we have the categories, expenses, and income. So just go ahead and scroll down a bit more, and you will be able to see all of the categories that you have used and some labels as well. Okay, so for example, under the shopping category, I have here one transaction, and for gifts, I have here one transaction as well. Now, if you want to take a look onto the shopping category, okay, just tap on it, and here we have the transactions. Okay, you can scroll down and you will be able to see a list of your transaction right here for this specific category, and you will be able to change the date range as well from here. All right, now go back and check the other, like gifts. All right, and that's basically it. That is how you filter transactions by category in Spendee. Just make sure that you categorize every transaction that you have. Okay, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.